So here are the top 10 keyboard shortcuts that I use every day on Windows 11, but they also work for Windows 10. So let's go. Number 1, you can press Windows and E to open File Explorer, and pro tip with that is you can go to folder options and select this PC as default when you press that, so you don't get greeted with the recent file screen, which is annoying from both Windows 10 and 11. Number 2, there is a new 3-finger salute, and it's no longer Control-Alt-Delete. So you can press Control-Shift-Escape to launch Task Manager, and you can manage your apps, kill them, etc. If pressing 3 buttons with just your left hand feels awkward for you, there is another shortcut to launch the Task Manager. It is Windows X, then T. Now if you're a system admin like me, you will appreciate this one. So you can launch your device manager just by pressing Windows X, then M, and that will bring up device manager. You can check your drivers, and updates and all that. Any problems on your system might reflect directly in the device manager. Number 5, do you like multitasking? This one's for you. Use Windows and arrow keys on your keyboard to place a window somewhere in the 4 corners, or have the left half of the screen or right half of the screen, or you can maximize by up arrow or down arrow to minimize completely. The next keyboard shortcut is for a multi-monitor user. I know you're one of them. So how to move an application from one screen to the other? It's very easy. Just press Windows, Shift and left or right arrow depending on where you want to move it. So pressing right will move it to the right monitor and vice versa. Want to check your notifications on Windows 10? You just have to press Windows A and that will bring up Action Center. On Windows 11 it is more sensible, and it's Windows and N to get to your notification screen. Number 8, if you accidentally closed a browser tab and you want to bring it back, on most of the modern browsers you can do it by pressing Ctrl-Shift-T and that will bring it right back, although some browsers have disabled the option to do it using your just the mouse. So yeah. Number 9, launch your favorite apps using Windows and the number corresponding to the order of the application, how it appears on your taskbar. So Windows 1 for me would launch Explorer, then Chrome, etc. Number 10, how to quickly shut down or restart your system. Fastest way to shut down your system is also not Alt F4 and then pressing Enter. No. You just press Windows X, then press U twice repeatedly, and bam, you're shutting down. On the other hand, if you want to restart, you press Windows X and then you press U, then R, and that will restart your system quickly. If you think I missed any shortcuts that you might use daily, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button if this video helped you. Consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Thanks again very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.